I think I've just thought of the perfect martial arts style. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. Let's talk about it right now. Before we get into this discussion, let me first say thank you to all of my subscribers, all 24 of you, or 25, one of them. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, I really do appreciate that. Thank you to all of the people that have turned on my videos, watched them. If you're new here, welcome. We talk all things martial arts. I'm just kind of a nerd when it comes to martial arts stuff. And if you want, go ahead, like, and subscribe. Yeah, stay tuned. There's a lot of good content. All right, so the perfect style. All right, now there's a lot of people that think, one style is the best with the other. I think there's not one perfect style. I believe the style that is best for you is the one you fit most comfortable in. But I'm going to branch it off a little bit more into those hardcore martial artists. And here are my top four. Okay. Number one, I think Taekwondo. A good stand-up game, Taekwondo is what you need. Second, I think karate. Kempo, Tung Sudo. I think Tung Sudo would be kind of the better all-around style. That does come from Korea as well. But I took Tung Sudo for a bit. I'm a red belt in Tung Sudo. Didn't quite get my black belt yet. But they really have a good solid base, it seems, of kicks and strikes. So I really like that style a lot. Second, I think we need judo. I think we need some throws in there. Some, hands-on a little bit. Throw your component around. Self-defense situation, competition situation. I think knowing how to throw, hip throw, trip, gently lay him down, get away, things like that. I think I don't think the full judo experience. Give me two throws every belt level, right? So you get a good amount of throws, techniques, grabs, different grabs, things like that. But I think a good judo throwing techniques would be a pretty good match with your style that we're building so far. I think everyone can agree on this, and that is jiu-jitsu. I think we need a good ground game if it does go to the ground. Now, I always kind of say, like, why would you want to take something to the ground if it doesn't need to go to the ground, right? So, like, if you're getting in an argument with somebody, you're getting attacked or whatever like that, if you can stay on your feet and you have a good stand-up game and you can evade, not trip yourself, not get tripped by, obstacles, your opponent, attacker, whatever it is, and you can stay on your feet and kind of throw them, get them on the ground. Now, if they're falling and they kind of just grab and, take you down, that's where I think, okay, jiu-jitsu needs to come into play. But here's the thing. I don't want to go on the ground in the snow. I don't want to go on the ground if it's muddy outside. I don't want to start rolling on the ground if there's gravel, concrete. Okay? Does anyone have goat heads around their area? Goat heads seem to be everywhere. I don't want to be rolling around in a field of goat heads. It just feels uncomfortable to me, right? So I would rather stay on my feet, get something done that I need to get done on the feet. But I think we do need a good ground game if it does go down there, and we can kind of, some arm bars, leg locks, some chokes are always good, things like that. So those are my four. What do you think? Comment down below. Am I totally way off? Are you kind of thinking the same thing? Is there one I missed that would be good? I know Krav Maga would be a good one too. But go and comment down below. What would your top four be, or your best all-around martial art style combined, right? Okay, so with that being said, go ahead, like and subscribe. Till next time, train hard, train smart. See you then.